Peace be upon you, and God be upon you. Wherever you are, may you be healthy and blessed with abundant blessings. See you again on the Salty Water Channel, guys. While waiting for the incoming ship, we approached the jetty. Along the edge of the sea stands a strong and resilient structure that plays a vital role in the operation of a coal-fired power plant. This jetty is not just an ordinary pier, but a critical lifeline that supports logistics distribution and ensures the smooth daily operation of the facility. From a distance, maintenance activities can be seen taking place with precision and care. Several workers, equipped with complete safety gear, carry out their tasks with focus and responsibility. They are painting the steel railings, an essential process that protects the structure from corrosion caused by constant exposure to seawater, high humidity, and changing weather conditions. Each stroke of paint is not only about appearance, but also about strengthening the structure's resistance against time and the harsh marine environment. In coastal areas, steel faces continuous challenges from salt and moisture, making routine maintenance crucial for ensuring long-term durability, safety, and reliability. Around the jetty, heavy equipment stands ready to support the operation. A crane rises firmly above the platform, prepared to lift heavy materials with precision and control. A boom lift allows workers to reach elevated and hard-to-access areas. Meanwhile, a forklift moves steadily, transporting tools and materials efficiently to where they are needed. In the surrounding waters, barges and tugboats remain on standby, playing an essential role in supporting logistics and transportation. These vessels ensure that materials and operational support can be delivered smoothly and efficiently. The sound of ocean winds, the rhythm of crashing waves, and the steady movement of equipment create a powerful working atmosphere. Every action reflects careful planning, coordination, and the strong dedication of the workers on site. This maintenance is more than routine work. It is a long-term commitment to preserving the strength and reliability of critical infrastructure. Through consistent care and attention, risks can be minimized, structural lifespan can be extended, and operational safety can be maintained. Behind the scenes, this dedication ensures that the power plant continues to operate safely, efficiently, and without interruption. This jetty stands as a symbol of resilience, responsibility, and the ongoing effort to keep energy flowing, supporting industries, communities, and everyday life. That's all for now. Safety first. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.